A Cedar Park man is in jail tonight. Joseph Taylor faces multiple felony charges after a more than 16-hour-long standoff. Police say 3 officers were shot after more than 50 bullets went flying. 2 of those officers are recovering at home tonight. A third underwent surgery yesterday. 3 family members were also held hostage as negotiators worked to get Taylor to surrender. Now, that hostage standoff could have ended much worse than it did. In fact, according to a study, people with untreated mental illness are 16 times more likely to be killed during a police encounter. KVUE's Jenni Lee spoke with a mental health expert about what needs to be done so no additional lives are lost.
The Cedar Park home where police say Joseph Taylor held 3 of his family members hostage is now quiet. The only signs of this weekend's violence are bullet holes in one of the upstairs windows and what appears to be smeared blood on the front door.
That tragic incident is all too common among people with severe mental illness and their family members.
Elizabeth Hank is the director of research at the Treatment Advocacy Center, a national nonprofit dedicated to eliminating barriers to treatment for people with severe mental illness. Police say Taylor suffered from mental illness and that his mother called 911. Hank says it's important to note that the vast majority of those with mental illness exhibit no signs of violence. But she says serious mental illness impacts 8.3 million Americans, and about half go untreated at any given time, leading to more interactions with police.
Law enforcement officers have become de facto mental health providers and really had to step up and be the crisis responders for individuals in mental health crisis. And so as a result, law enforcement officers have become and had this increased role in providing psychiatric crisis care to individuals in the community that they really are not designed or trained to be filling.
Many police departments have crisis intervention teams where officers have some mental health training. But Hank says there needs to be more awareness, funding, and a change in public policy to address the mentally ill who are now overrepresented in the criminal justice system. Jenni Lee, KVUE News.